Hello everybody, welcome back to an edition of Vijeo Designer Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can change the HMI type, okay, and how we can resize the application. Bear in mind that when you want to resize the application, it only works when you want to resize from a small HMI to a bigger HMI. If you want to resize the other way, the direction from a bigger to a smaller one, that is not an option. Okay, if you are thinking on that possibility, then the best would be to use Operator Terminal Expert, okay, which is the other software for HMIs that Schneider Electric has. In that one, you can make some kind of tricks in order to do it, okay, using ViewBox. But I'm not here to talk about Operator Terminal Expert, here to talk about Vijeo Design. So let's go to the software. So what I'm going to do now is to check this project, okay. Administrator1 underscore, okay. So I have this, and I'm going to disable it. Administrator1 underscore. So next time I need to do it. No, I'm not going to cover that here. So in order to change the HMI, okay, by default it shows target 01, I believe, so target. Just need to click on this one, okay, and here in general you have possibility to select a different model, a different family range, and a different model. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is the following. So I'm going to create this rectangle, put it like that, and then I'm going to put something like hello, and I'm going to use this over here, oops, here, and here. Okay, so it just covers the whole thing. Now imagine that you have already finished your more fancier application, right, than mine, and you decide to use a bigger HMI. So in that case, you select your new HMI, range, and then I'm going to use a bigger HMI. I'm going to use this one. You will see this message, okay, are you sure you want to confirm to this one? You say yes, but you need to bear in mind this part. So if you select automatically resize the panel, everything, it will make a resize, okay. If you uncheck this and continue, then nothing's going to happen. So I'm going to select nothing's going to happen. So now what I do, or what I have, is the same application, okay, but it hasn't been resized. Okay, if you just start it from scratch, that's fine. Then if you go back here, I'm going to select the same one. You can see here that if I try to go the other way, this option for resize is not available. So you need to be careful. Here again, my application. So now what we're going to do is to resize, okay, change this screen again and resize it. So here I'm going to use the latest one, no, the bigger one, and select yes, automatically resize, okay, and then it does the trick, okay. You can see the applications have been resized to the new one. You can see this has a whole 800 and 600, that the other one was smaller, it was 320 for 240, if I'm not wrong. You can see how it resized, okay. So instead of starting from scratch, this is an option. okay, and probably you need to take care the how the text looks like with something minor details. Okay, the rest would be resizable. So this is how we can resize the application and change the target, okay, and resize the application inside Vijeo Designer. This is also available for Vijeo Designer Basic and Vijeo Designer, okay. And if you really need to have that possibility to easily change and resize as you wish the screen, then you will probably need to have a look on the Operator Terminal Expert software. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.